Hello, my dear students. We have already discussed so many other type of main physical features in our country or main physical features of India. That was Himalayas region or northern mountainous region or northern plain, uh, peninsular plateau region or other landforms also. We have already discussed this portion, and today we will discuss about coastal plain. Coastal plain, there are mainly two types of coastal plain in our country or in India, that is from Gujarat to Kanyakumari, Arabian coastal plain, and Kanyakumari to Digha coast, that is in West Bengal. This is the Bay of Bengal coast. This western coast or Arabian coastal region also divided into mainly three parts. Number one, Mumbai to Mumbai to Goa. This is known as Konkan coast. Next, generally Karnataka part of this coastal area, that is known as Kannada coast, Kannada coast. Next, from this portion to Kanyakumari, this is known as mainly Kerala coast is known as mainly Malabar coast. Then this Tamil Nadu coast, this portion is known as Coromandel coast, and Andhra Pradesh and Utkal coast, both this part is known as Northern Sarkar coast. Northern Sarkar, Circar, Sarkar coast. These coastal plain are different from each other. There are some basic differences we can see here. This वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन एंड ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन में से अगर देखेंगे, दोनों में से कुछ डिफरेंसेस हम लोगों को दिखाई देगा. तो नेक्स्ट हमारा डिस्कशन जो है डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन कोस्टल प्लेन एंड ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन एंड वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन. फर्स्ट डिफरेंस इज द ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन एंड वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन generally lies between the eastern Ghat to the Bay of Bengal and western Ghat to the Arabian Sea respectively. तो इसमें अगर देखेंगे, जैसा कि इस मैप में ये साफ साफ दिखाई दे रहा है कि यहाँ पर मेनली वेस्टर्न घाट है. वेस्टर्न घाट से अराबियन सी तक ये जो रीजन है, ये नैरो जोन, ये है हमारा वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन. और सेम इधर भी क्या है, ईस्टर्न घाट माउंटेन है. ईस्टर्न घाट माउंटेन से ये बे ऑफ बंगाल जो है, बे ऑफ बंगाल, यहाँ तक ये नैरो जोन जो दिखाई दे रहा है, ये ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन है. नेक्स्ट सेकेंड डिफरेंस इज इट इज़ नैरो प्लेन. वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन इज नैरो देन द ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन. क्योंकि यहाँ पर अगर देखेंगे, ये जो जगह है इस तरफ बहुत सारा रिवर नहीं है जैसा कि ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन में है. वो भी एक दूसरा डिफरेंसेस है. जैसे कि नर्मदा, तापी, दिस टू रिवर द मेन river in this western coastal plain area. But in the case of eastern coastal plain, there are numerous river like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. These are the main river flowing towards this eastern coastal plain region. And this is why this region is white. This coastal plain, eastern coastal plain, is white than the western coastal plain. Next, western coastal plain is drained by less river like Narmada and Tapi. We have discussed this portion also. And eastern coastal plain drained by more rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, this one. Next, generally there are three parts in western coastal plain, and in the case of eastern coastal plain there are mainly two parts. Three part means in the case of western coastal plain, there are mainly three parts. Number one, Konkan coast. Number two, Kannada coast. Number 3, Malabar coast. But in the case of eastern coastal plain, there are mainly two division. We have also discussed this portion also: Coromandel coast and Northern Sarkar coast. Next, one of the most important question that is from this chapter, Physiographic Division of India, that is differences between northern plain and coastal plain. Differences between northern plain and coastal plain. All of you know that this northern plain generally situated in the land area of our nation. That is, we can locate in this part, northern part, that is UP, Bihar, West Bengal, all these states covered through this plain, northern plain, which is situated on the landmass area only. But in the case of coastal plain, that is connected with the ocean area. And second difference is that this northern plain are surrounded by land. We have discussed this portion. And third is, this plain have varied elevation and low relief. Varied elevation, because we know that we measure any height of any objects like mountain or plain, plateau, all this from the mean sea level. Mean sea level means average height of the water, ocean water. Suppose this one is the mountainous area. Suppose this one Mount Everest, and this is land area, and here is the ocean area. This portion is ocean area, this one. So we will measure, suppose the height of this Mount Everest, that is 8,848 मीटर. दैट मीन्स इसका जो हाइट है माउंट एवरेस्ट का, ये मीन सी लेवल से यहाँ से लेके इसका हाइट इतना तक है. ठीक है. तो अगर देखेंगे जो हमारा कोस्टल प्लेन जो एरिया है, ये एकदम कोस्टल एरिया में, मतलब ओशियन एरिया के बगल में है, जिसके कारण इसका एलिवेशन जो हाइट जो है ये कम होता है. लेकिन नॉर्दर्न प्लेन का हाइट थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, क्योंकि हम लोग जानते हैं कि हिमालयस रीजन का जस्ट नीचे ये मेनली हिमालयस रिवर का एरोशनल मटेरियल डिपोजिट होकर ये मेनली नॉर्दर्न प्लेन बनता है. तो हाइट के हिसाब से देखेंगे दोनों में वेरिएशन है, प्लस इसमें और भी जो वेरिएशन था हम लोगों ने डिस्कस कर लिया. नेक्स्ट, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फीचर्स इन दिस चैप्टर, दैट इज आइलैंड ग्रुप्स ऑफ इंडिया. देयर आर मेनली टू टाइप्स ऑफ आइलैंड ग्रुप्स. नंबर वन, that is located in the Bay of Bengal, which is known as Andaman and Nicobar Island group, and second one is the Lakshadweep group of island, which is situated in the Arabian Sea area. We will discuss here in detail. Just see this, there are so many numbers of small islands, and all these are formed together the island group, that is Andaman group, which is located in the northern part of the 10-degree latitude, and next is the Nicobar Island group, which is situated south of the 10-degree latitudes. Generally 10-degree latitudes divide this two group of islands, Andaman and Nicobar. Suppose this one is the Andaman and this one is the Nicobar, or here is a 10-degree latitude, which is also known as 10-degree channel. Got my point? Next, we can see here, there are here also so many small islands, and combinedly these are known as Lakshadweep group of island. जैसा कि इसका कैपिटल सिटी, ऑल ऑफ यू नो दैट, कवरत्ती, नेक्स्ट मिनिकॉय, अमीनदीप, इसके बाद Android, Kalpeni, all these are comes under this Lakshadweep group of island. इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड अगर कोई भी और भी कुछ जानकारी चाहिए, इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड कुछ नोट्स वगैरह चाहिए, प्लस इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड कुछ क्विज क्वेश्चन जो है, जो कि ऑनलाइन आप लोग सॉल्व कर सकते हो, तो उसको पाने के लिए जस्ट गूगल में जाके सर्च करना है www.egeo.in। इसमें आप लोगों को इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड फिजियोग्राफिक डिवीजन ऑफ इंडिया रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर प्लस बहुत अच्छा तरीके से कुछ क्विज क्वेश्चन भी, मल्टीपल चॉइस टाइप का जो क्विज क्वेश्चन है वो भी शेयर किया गया, जिसमें आप लोग ऑनलाइन आसानी से सॉल्व कर सकते हो। थैंक यू।